Hi, this is Troy McClure. You may recognize me from my router table videos on YouTube. Just kidding, you guys. So, you may recognize this. I put the YouTube video up about the router table fence and the interchangeable faces. This is what I use for drilling my 35mm door hinge holes. It's a storyboard with, markers at normal, drill for rollouts, yada yada. And then here's the, I just stuck a vacuum on there with some hose clamps, some squeeze clamps, and it sucks up every little bit of it. It's great. Another little free thing you guys can do to keep your place clean. Take care now. Bye.